AI is taking over classrooms. Personalized tutors, 24/7 learning support. It sounds like the perfect solution to modern education's biggest problems, right? But here's the question. Is this really the future we've been waiting for? Or are we risking the very soul of education? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about the game-changing potential of artificial intelligence in education. Imagine this. Every student, no matter where you live, gets access to a personalized AI tutor that adapts to their learning size and pace. No more one-size-fits-all classroom. AI tools like ChatGPT can explain top concepts in seconds. Apps like Duolingo makes language learning fun, and platforms like Notion AI help students stay organized and focused. Plus, let's not forget the time teachers save. By automating tasks like grading, AI allows teachers to focus on what really matters, monitoring students and fostering creativity. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? But wait, before we crown AI as a superhero of education, let's ask ourselves this. What's the real cost? Sure, AI is a powerful tool, but it can't replace the human touch. Can any algorithm inspire students to dream big or teach them empathy? Teachers are more than just instructors, they are role models. And then there's the issue of equity. Not every school can afford AI tools. So will we widen the gap between wealthy and underprivileged students? And what about privacy? Do we really want our kids' data in the hands of big corporations? So where do we go from here? AI isn't going away anytime soon. It's here to stay. But the real challenge isn't choosing between AI and human teachers. It's figuring out how to balance technology with the human connections that is at the heart of education. Let's embrace AI as a tool, not a replacement, so we can build an education system that works for everyone. What do you think about this? Is AI the future of education, or are we moving too fast? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more debate on the future of tech and education.